What historical fact makes you cry? During the German-Soviet War, there was a Red Army soldier who would sing songs about romance and love each night with a hauntingly beautiful voice. His comrades found his singing extremely comforting, so much so they would give him their own tea rations and scarves in order to protect his throat. But despite their efforts, there came a night where he couldn't sing because he had gotten sick. His comrades started sacrificing pieces of their own clothing to wrap him up and keep him as warm as possible, when suddenly a grenade was thrown into the Red Army trenches. A German soldier had crawled across no man's land and thrown it in. Everyone in the Red Army quickly took cover, and one soldier even used himself to cover the singer in order to protect him and save his life. Well, a few seconds went by, and then another few, and the grenade wasn't detonating. Red Army soldiers became suspicious and peeped their heads to check it out, and they saw that it wasn't a grenade, but a package instead. The